Can you really turn just $5 into $50,000? Sounds impossible, right? But today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step story of how someone did it, and how you can start today with the same strategy. It all started with a simple $5 investment. Most people spend this on coffee, snacks, or small things that disappear. But smart investors see opportunities. This story shows how patience, smart planning, and tiny investments can grow your wealth dramatically. Think about it. If you had just $5, what would you do? Buy a lottery ticket. Maybe, but that's not a smart way to build wealth. Spend it on entertainment. Not if you want to grow your money. So what's the best way to make your $5 work for you? Step 1. Use your $5 wisely. Instead of spending it, invest it in something with high growth potential. This could be buying fractional shares of stocks, cryptocurrency, or micro businesses online. The key is to start now, no matter how small. Let me show you why this is so powerful. When you spend your $5 on a coffee, it's gone. You've traded your money for a temporary pleasure. But when you invest your $5 in a growing business or a share of a company, you're buying a piece of something bigger. And as that business or stock appreciates in value, so does your investment. It might only be a tiny stake, but it's an investment in your future. And as you continue to reinvest your earnings, you'll start to see compounding returns. This means that every small profit you make gets reinvested back into your initial investment, making it bigger and more valuable over time. Step 2. Keep reinvesting. Every small profit should go back into your investment. Compounding is the magic here. $5 becomes $10, $10 becomes $50, and over time, with smart moves, it snowballs into thousands. Now let's talk about diversification. Just like you wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket, you shouldn't put all your money in one place. So, as you start to see some profits, it's time to diversify. Step 3. Don't put all your money in one place. Diversify into multiple high-potential opportunities. This reduces risk and increases chances of hitting big wins. Smart diversification is what turns hundreds into tens of thousands. As you continue to reinvest your earnings and diversify, you'll start to see your wealth grow exponentially. But it's important to remember that building wealth takes time, patience, and discipline. Step 4. Mindset matters. Most people quit too soon. Wealth isn't created overnight. Patience! Discipline and learning from small mistakes are what turned $5 into $50,000. Always focus on long-term growth. This is where patience and mindset come into play. You need to be willing to wait for your investments to grow and to stay focused on your long-term goals. Don't let short-term fluctuations in the market get you down. Stay disciplined with your investing strategy and keep reinvesting your earnings. And remember, it's okay to make small mistakes along the way. The important thing is to learn from them and keep moving forward. If you stay committed to this process, you'll be amazed at the results you can achieve. You can turn that initial $5 into a significant amount of wealth over time. So, next time you see $5, think bigger. Can you imagine if everyone who spent $5 a day on coffee instead invested it and followed these steps? They could have turned their daily habit into a substantial investment portfolio. The idea is to start small, but think big. With patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn, anyone can turn a small investment into substantial wealth. If you want to know more practical wealth strategies, subscribe and join Wealth Philosophy today. Remember, it's never too late to start investing and working towards your financial goals.